Whether it's cooked in a stone oven, brick oven, regular oven, campfire, it doesn't matter. We all love a good pizza. Today I'm gonna take you to 3 spots in the DC Metro that have the bomb pizza. Let's roll. All right, so we're making the Korean fusion.
Yes, we are.
This pizza's the bomb.
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our dough in the flour.
All right, so we're starting with the fresh dough. This isn't considered a flatbread. What is this, like a...
It's like an artisan style thing.
So like an artisan style thin crust, like
Absolutely.
the new technology.
We're gonna add our nagi sauce to this right here.
All right, and so what is in this sauce? It's a soy sauce?
Yes, it's a soy sauce. A lot of people
Let me get a little dab of that.
It's kind of like it's a sushi sauce.
That has a great flavor. Wow.
Good stuff to it.
That works so good with the bulgogi, man. Now with some fresh mozzarella.
Let's start to put some cheese on your pizza like Count Morty. So you're gonna go just down this way. Just like
Okay.
that. Cheese.
Uh-oh, now we're putting the bulgogi on.
Yeah.
All right, so your bulgogi, is this marinated in-house?
Yeah, we marinate everything in-house, cook it all in-house.
If you're not a bulgogi fan, come here and try it. You will be. Unbelievable. All right, some sauteed onions.
Yep.
All right, do you guys saute these as well?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Chop it off, some fresh mushrooms.
Gotta have the mushrooms. And we're good to go?
Yes, we
All
are.
right, so this will go into the oven how long?
So from one end to the other, it takes about 2 minutes.
2 minutes. All right, let's go. All right, so the 2 minutes is up. Wait till you guys see this joker. Not only is it delicious, but it looks so pretty. Little house-made kimchi. Gotta add that little touch. Really makes a difference. Gives it a good flavor. You know, the good Asian flavor you're really looking for. A little more sauce?
The nagi sauce right on top of that.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful, man. I'd like that to go, please.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, here we go, dudes. Korean fusion pizza. Check out this bad boy. Beautiful. All right, here we go. All right, dudes, close up of the pizza. This is a really good pizza. First of all, I love the shape of the pizza. Right when you bite into it, you get hit with that sweet sauce. Then you get hit with the sweetness of the bulgogi. By the way, bulgogi is the bomb, and it's awesome on pizza. Then the thin crust is awesome, and the sleeper on this is the kimchi on the top. This is a really, really good pizza. Gotta come try it. Make sure you get the custard when you come too. All right, so we're starting with the dough.
Yes.
All right, so do you guys make the dough in-house every day?
We make it every 2 days ahead.
Why do you guys do such a thin crust here? I love it.
Because it's hand stretched.
All right, so we're starting with your sauce.
Sauce,
This is
homemade
the
sauce.
famous EMILIO'S sauce.
Yes, people buy it, they die for it.
Look how chunky this is. So some fresh spinach.
Cheese.
Look at this mozzarella.
Fresh portobello mushroom.
Uh-oh. God, those look fresh too. Wow. So this is rare. Most people wouldn't put zucchini on a pizza.
No, we do it here at Emilio's.
Even that, most people wouldn't think like, oh, I think I'm gonna put yellow squash on
And
my
this is
pie
one
today.
of my most popular pizza. Red onion,
The best. The red ones are the best.
feta cheese.
Feta always makes it better.
That's the secret. With the zucchini and the yellow squash, feta is the one giving it a taste. And roasted red pepper.
Oh yeah.
It's hot roasted. It's
Do you
not
guys
spicy.
roast these?
No, actually,
Okay.
these comes from Italy. Most of my
Real
stuff comes
Italy,
from Italy. Yeah.
Italian red
Yes.
peppers. I like. Into the oven she goes. Guys, check this oven out. So this will cook for what, 8 to 10 minutes?
Yes.
Here we go. That is beautiful.
Who doesn't want to eat that pizza?
Oh, careful.
Our pizza Dorian.
Beautiful. All right, guys, here we go. The Dorian. All right. EMILIO'S Pizza. This is definitely one of the most real deal pizza shops in the area. I really love their pizza here. Look how thin that crust is. Gives it like a really crisp bite when you bite into it. And you will never see me order a veggie pizza probably anywhere else. It only works because the crust here is so good. You can actually eat a pizza here that's pretty healthy. Even though I'm not gonna lie, I normally get the meat one, but when I'm feeling the urge to get healthy, this is the one to order. Throw a little Parmesan on this joint. Boom, great pizza. Come try it. Peace. Will you please make me the Meat Lover's pizza?
You want meat lover pizza?
Is your dough made in-house, right?
Yes, we make it in-house daily.
All right, so we're stretching it out. Your pizza, I don't consider it thin. I don't consider it thick. I consider it like
just right
in the middle. So the dough's made in-house, the sauce is made in-house. Back in the day when I was a rookie, I used to like extra cheese. Actually, I still do.
Fresh cut ham, mild Italian sausage.
I gotta ask, we're in Virginia. Is that Virginia ham?
Of course it is. It's Virginia, right?
A little bit of pepperoni,
Yeah.
a little more cheese.
You gotta have more
Just
cheese.
to top it off. So we got 0 veggies on this, right?
That's why we call it the Meat Lovers.
This is not for the veggie people. All right, so this will cook for 10 minutes.
10, 15 minutes.
What do we got
Depending
this
on-
set? About 450, 500?
Ooh, more than that. About 550.
About 550, 600? That's
Yeah.
what I said. I accidentally.
So the key to our pizza is you don't set it and forget it. You gotta
Don't set it and forget it. I like to do
come
that.
in,
though.
you gotta turn it and spin it so it gets
Okay.
a nice golden brown all around the pizza.
All right.
And we check to make sure the bottom crust is good. It's got a nice
It looks
finish
good to me, man. Oh, shucks. Here we go.
Are you ready to eat?
Oh, my gosh.
I actually hear it.
Nice.
Nice crispy crust.
Yes.
There you go.
With a little chew. Beautiful pizza, man. Love it. Can I get that to go, please, sir? All right, here we go. Cannot wait. Let's give this thing a whirl. All right, this is like your awesome, just standard pizza. It's not a thick crust. It's not a thin crust. It's like right in the middle. Great cheese. The topping on it are freaking awesome. And the crust, you can really tell it's homemade. Has a really good chew to it. You get that nice pull when you pull on the crust. This is a really, really good pizza. Come try it.